my shame. Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the
Good morning, everyone. How are you to find out? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Wanamukara. Who's connected this morning? Who is here this morning? Who's like, hey, we are here. Let's do it live. Let's go. Who's connected? Who's connected? Who's connected? I see we've got Lufefe. Lufefe Kwechube. Wait, isn't Kwechube like... that sounds like Tobako's surname, isn't it? Chube. Tobacco. Isn't that Tobako's surname? Kwechube. Sounds familiar. Then we've got Casper. Hey, which Casper is this one? Nemo. What is in your vest? He says, good morning. Mr. Mabena says, top of the morning, good people. Top of the morning leadership, Mabena. And a lady says, good morning. Good morning, Naledi Motaung. Bongo Musa, handsome, says Bruce. Bongo Musa. And then we've got Mr. Hain right there, says, good morning all. Good morning, Mr. Hain. Mandi Luve Mabanda says, good morning. Lucia is here this morning saying, good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tabiso says, good morning, leadership. Let's do it live once more. My good sir. How about sir? Let's go. Why not? Why not? I'm here to do it again. Mr. Emmanuel is here again this morning. Says, good morning, team. Ha, 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 ha. Mr. Emmanuel, without wasting any time, just form the team out of this. We are now a team. Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Timza. Amando says, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are here to do it live. We are not afraid of chats. We're not afraid of MT4. We don't fear trading view. We'll go in there and do it live, ladies and gentlemen. Open for the whole world to see if we know our story or not. We fear nothing. Right. Tato says, good morning, leader. Mr. Cool Archie is back saying, morning, honorable. It's a good day to make the beggar. The beggar. Nadia says, good morning. Subosiso Mayapa says, good morning. And then we've got Mr. Abdallah right there. Mr. Abdallah. Good morning. Feels like in a live reality show. Cool vibe, lol. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. We've got Sipo right there. Sipo Nyawo says, another day, another dollar. Good morning, leaders. Bungu Musa says, Bruce, my bro. Unarine says, we live and let's download this money. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We are back. Last time when we were here, we said certain things were going to happen, and those things happened. So now we are back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. Let's see what we can get out of this. What am I called? Trading View, MT4, Enter for Me, Starboy, a combination of all those things. Mr. Gary Lee says, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Gary. Good to see you this morning. Good to see you this morning. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So last time, remember, we were here and we said gold was going to drop, right? I believe we're looking at it from 1 hour. Then I said, hey, who thinks price is going to drop to here? And I told you I was in some sales at the time, right? Of which we all went in on 1 minute, and gold did the things. We got paid, right? We got paid right here. So what the market decided to do, remember I told you guys I was in sales there, sell. Another sell was taken there, and the market just kept dropping and giving sales that day. Just kept dropping and giving sales, ladies and gentlemen. It just kept dropping and giving sales. It was a beautiful day, I must say. It was a very beautiful day. A wonderful day, because the market really did what we expected it to do, which is give us some waves. And Enter for me did what it does best. It kept taking those sells on that particular day. So it was beautiful. It was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. So obviously we want something like that again, right? I mean, who wouldn't want something like that? Because that's where the money is at, really. The money is not in price moving sideways, but in price picking a direction and going hard in that direction, because that's where we make the money. So in essence, this is not what we want. We don't want price to be moving like this. No. That's not what we want. We want price to make up its mind and say, you know what? Today, I'm going down, or today I'm going up, because once it does that, it becomes very easy for us to make money. Very easy for us to make money, right? Ladies and gentlemen, regeneration, relaxation. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah, so guys, I was saying this will not do us any good. We don't want this. We don't want this at all. But that's just looking at it on 1 hour. What if there's actually something we can pick up from 4 hours? So obviously this was just a rough sketch, but as essentially saying, price was here at that point, somewhere here, right? Then I think price is going to drop to a point where it will take out the guys who are looking to buy at this support, of which it happened. And we went up. So basically we got this now. This year we got, just that I was just drawing it free scratch. I can't tell how far it will drop or whatever, but that played out, and this is basically this, it played out. So we are currently here, guys, on this thing. That's where we currently are on 4 hours. Remember, we drew it on 4 hours. So now we have to ask ourselves, what are the chances that we're gonna get this? Because this is what we are essentially expecting now. Will we get this? Because if we get this, guys, there's money all the way from wherever we are until price removes this low. Do you see that happening? So maybe perhaps let's look at it from other angles as well. But all in all, if that can happen, guys, that's where the money will be at. So let's say 8 hours. 8 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Removed this high. But it means nothing. I've taught you guys, or some of you were not here that time, when I showed you that this is what smart money traders expect, right? And so meaning price, they're expecting to drop to at least 50% right now, right? and then they'll be looking to buy, right? So, prayer warriors, I believe you are here this morning. Can you pray for gold to drop to at least 50%? Because you know, for us, that's enough. It must drop so that the smart money traders can buy, right? But in so doing, we'll be able to ride the wave to the downside, right? Looking at it from daily, guys, I hate to say this, but it is what it is, and it's currently happening. Price is consolidating. The last time when we spoke, I said this thing was sitting in a demand, and the demand is valid, and it will be valid until the time where it is removed. So, guys, you can see this thing is moving sideways. Moving sideways. So I probably gave you so much hope. You're probably thinking, hey, I know you want to sell. But I was just speaking of possibilities. At the end of the day, my verdict is this thing is in a consolidation. It's sitting in a consolidation, so it can really do anything. It can go up, it can go down, it can play ping pong, it can dance chukwasa kwasa, macarena, you name it. It can do some break dancing. You know, there's a lot the market can do from here, and we can assume, and from our assumptions, things can play out. And from assumptions, things can go against us. So I said what I said. And what I want you to do right now from where you are is to analyze. Then we're going to have a poll, guys. Do you see gold dropping and giving us this? Because everything right now, things have played out. This played out. And this played out. And we're saying we want this. Do you see this happening from where we are? Do you see price dropping? Because guys, at the end of the day, this is a resistance, right? For the old crocs, those who've been in the market for some time. This is an SR flip, right? You can see this thing, it's been a resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support for some time, right? And right now, this very thing, if you look at it from using the wicks, you can see we still went to, just do this. We are in a resistance. You see that? And what do we know the resistance to do? To drop the price, right? We know the resistance to drop the price. So I've done what I had to do. Now I ask you, what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Let's bring up that poll. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your thoughts. So let me find this live. There's the live. And then let's do this poll. Oh no, I'm not logged in the right account. So I'm just quickly going to do the right account. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Madam Kara. So my laptop had restarted. So when it restarted, I got kicked out, logged out. So now I have to log in again. It's refusing my password though. Let me see. think it was the caps lock. Now I'm back in, guys. So I just want to ask you, I just want to know if you think we are going to drop from where we are. Do you think we're going to have this? Because obviously, if it happens, we're going to smile, right? We're going to be the happiest people this week. But on the other hand, we're in a consolidation, guys. So, what do you say? What say you? What do you think? Will we get another leg to the downside on H4? Or we must relax and wait for tomorrow? And there's the poll right there, ladies and gentlemen. What say you? So while you guys are still deciding, I'll just be looking at what else there is in the market to look out for. Nasdaq, I told you guys it was going to go up. And you can see that it is going up. I told you I was in a buy from there. Told you guys we are buying this one, and yeah, it's going up. I want to hear 12 votes. The votes are coming in quite fast today. That's beautiful. 12 votes. 83% says yes, we're going to get that leg to the downside. 14 votes and 86% says yep. Another leg, another dollar. 14 votes, 86% says yes. Another leg, another dollar. 15 votes. 15 votes. 17 votes. 17 votes has dropped. It has dropped the poll to 76%. 76% is still winning. 76, 75%, 76, 75, 71. 71% says yes, another leg, another dollar on H4. So essentially, the majority are saying gold is going to do Mshiga. It's going to do this. 73% are saying this is what gold is going to do next. 75 from 24 votes are saying gold is going to do this. 75%. Wow, that's a big number. 7, 7, 7, 8, 27 votes. We have 36 people connected this morning, ladies and gentlemen, and 27 have voted, and they're saying we are going to drop from here. I guess because we tapped this resistance, and because the smart money traders will be looking to buy, so price must come down and give them that buy, right? 28 votes this morning, with 79% of people saying we are going to get that leg to the downside. What if, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get another leg to the upside on H1? What if? Nonetheless, I see 31 votes, ladies and gentlemen. 81% says we are going to drop on gold, expecting another leg to the downside. Quite interesting, I must say. I must say, quite interesting. I think gold is going to box people. I think gold is going to have a field day on this one. Let's see. Nemo says, good morning, Bruce. Times says, I believe so, Mr. RB. Chances are there because currently price is reacting from a H4 supply, I believe. Siabonga says, waiting for H4 candle to close. If it closes bullish, we can buy. But if it closes bearish, we sell. It's just a game of waiting, Siabonga says. Siabonga says it's a game of waiting. Guys, 34 votes. So today we have 34 people tuned in and everyone has voted. And the majority are saying another leg, another dollar. Hey, and I'm saying, hey. Hey, that's all I'm saying. I'm saying, hey. 35 votes, but we have 34 people connected. Interesting. And the majority are saying another leg, another dollar. Okay, another leg, another dollar. I hear you guys. I hear you guys. Okay, so the majority are saying it's going down. The majority are saying it's going down. Hey. For me, it's tricky, guys. Like I told you, this thing is consolidating. It's moving sideways. So it can really go up. It can really go down. Anything can happen. Anything can really happen. But the majority, it's a democracy. But at the end of the day, democracy doesn't work on your account. If you are saying it's not going down, you simply stay outside. And then we'll just look at those who are saying it's going down, and we look at how can we go about making money if it's going down, right? I'm neutral on this one, right? Very much neutral. If you haven't picked it up, I'm saying it right now. I am very, very much neutral on this one. Very, very neutral on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Because of the consolidation, right? Can go either way, the way I see it. But yeah, on the other hand, if I'm to look at price, the possibility of price dropping, I definitely see it happening. But if I'm to also look at the possibilities of price going up, I definitely see it happening as well. Guys, how do we have 37 votes yet we have 34 people connected? This YouTube thing is not made sure.
Nah, people are coming and going.
The way I see it, but yeah.
Yeah. People are coming in and then.
All right, guys, there's the results. So we can say 80% says yes, 20% says no, and that's from 39 votes, guys. Hey, may the stop loss be with you. May the stop loss be with you. May the stop loss be with you, ladies and gentlemen, on this one. But okay, since the majority are saying it's going down, let's look at how one can make money should it go down. Go and low, right? I'm neutral, so I'm not gonna do it, right? But if I was saying this one is gonna go down, right now I would go and load the Starboy bot on 1 hour, because if this thing is gonna drop and follow this, that particular bot will execute a sell on my behalf. Did you get? If I were bearish, like most of you, just now neutral, right? If I were bearish, I would go and load the H1 bot. If I was wrong, chances are the bot is not going to execute that trade. This thing will just go up and then I don't lose. But if I'm right, chances are the Starboy bot is going to execute a sell for me on gold, and I will smile at the end of the day, right? So yeah, there's a great chance that it won't take the sell for you. If price goes, it's gonna go up. And there's a great chance that if price is gonna go down, that bot will take a sell for you. So Starboy bot on H1 would be what I would do if I was bearish on this one. Right, Siyabonga says Kolani. No, it's not Kolani. What's that? Hello, Kolani. Hello, Kolani. It is Kolani, but Kolani is normally with an X, right? All right, Siyabonga says, let's look at the H1. H1 is bullish. H1 is bullish, but H1 is also moving sideways. Bullish and moving sideways. Anything can go on H1. Okay. Guys, I'm going to ask you a question now. Siyabonga, what do you expect? What do you see happening on H1? Do you see it dropping or rising on H1? Or anyone else who has an input on gold H1? What's your input like? Do you see it rising or dropping? Look at it on H1. What do you see happening on gold? Remember, I'm neutral on gold, guys. I'm really neutral, but I'm just trying to help for those who are expecting this or that to say, this is how I would go about it if I wanted to buy or sell. You see that? So H1 looks like we have a leg here. Remember, last time on Euro JPY, what I said to you guys was we expect a drop, price then drop, and that's exactly what happened. See? We had this, we had that, we had this, we had that, and I said we are gonna drop, and that is exactly what happened. So, would we have this again? I don't know, but we'll come there. But now we're on gold. Natula, you're quiet. You don't know. It's okay. If you don't know, let me tell you something right now. If you are not sure of something, guys, you simply don't trade it. You leave it. Like you had, I said I'm neutral. I'm neutral on this one. So I'm not buying, I'm not selling. So if you're not sure of something, you don't trade. You see that? If you're not sure of something, you just stay on the sideline. Tevin says H1 is on sell. What is the sell based on, Mr. Tevin? I hear you are saying sell. What is the sell based on? Okay. So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm neutral, so I'm not going to say much. And then I did say those who think it's going to go down, Starboy H1 will be your best bet. And then those who think it's going to go up, go and load enter for me on H1. So basically, remember, enter for me takes the waves, right? So if you think it's going to go up, enter for me will execute a buy for you somewhere here, and price will go up and remove this high. So if you believe it's going to go up, I'm neutral, but I'm just saying if I was not neutral, if I was bullish, I was going to go and load enter for me on 1 hour. If I was bearish, I was going to load Starboy on 1 hour. And then If it drops, chances are enter for me won't take the buy for me, hopefully. And then hopefully Starboy will take a sell for me. But if it goes up, the Starboy bot won't take a sell for me, but enter for me will take a buy for me. You see that? Tabiso says, leadership, H1 is still bullish. Just a pullback. Let's see if the low goes. Which low are you referring to? This one here. Oh, I see what you mean. You're looking at the market structure to say, okay, that's a low, so we're still bullish on the H1. Okay, I see what you're seeing there. And then Quinton says it is based on the double top. So it's talking about when we say gold is bearish, it's based on the double top. So that is Magogoros. That is some goggles right there. And then Siabonga says, I see it going up, my brother. So guys, I'm neutral. I'm not taking sides. And I just said, if you see it going up, enter for me. Trading bot will take a buy for you. If you see it going down, Starboy trading bot will see a sell and execute for you. As for me, I am very much neutral. Kevin says 23.20. What's that? You're saying it's going to 23.20. But that's where we are. 23.20. You're scalping. You're scalping. What you're saying already paid out. Buitumelo Masala says, if I can ask my king, how do I get the Starboy? You get it. Do you have enter for me? 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 Buitumelo. Buitumelo. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Alternatively, right? An alternative for those who are like, it's going down, this thing, my leader, and we want those 1 minute trades. We want them now. Wait for this low to go. Then you know what to do, right? Enter for me. Enter for me. But if it doesn't go, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, she says, yes, I have. The same way you got enter for me is the same way you get Starboy. You just go and type Starboy, and that's how you'll get the bot. Right. Guys, me, I'm neutral. I'm very much neutral on gold. But I can say that if I was not neutral and I was biased to the upside or to the upside or to the downside, this is what I would do. The house is really divided. Mr. Heinrich says he sees a drop on H1, gold H1 drop. So where would we be dropping to, ladies and gentlemen? You know, if we are saying there's a drop coming, you know, we can go and get some trades on 1 minute. So easy, right? Easy peasy, easy money. Easy money, right? But hey, I don't know. As for me and my household, will be on the sideline. Tabiso says that one 23.14. So people are taking gold to 23.14, which is, oh, you mean that you're talking about the low? Okay, guys, let it be on record that I'm neutral on gold. Right, I'm neutral on gold. I do, however, see gold going up in H1. Ne? funny thing is when I go to H4, I do see gold going down. So I become neutral. Let's move on. Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen. This guy's Nasdaq was going up. I told you. I hate to say this, but I gotta say it. I told you. I told you Nasdaq was going up. Told you. Guys, this is being recorded on live on YouTube, né? Live on YouTube. I have a system. Those who are in Euporiafx students, they are connected here. They will confirm. I've shown them. A system which has only failed twice on Nasdaq. Ever since there was such a thing as Nasdaq, it has only failed twice. In 2022 and in 2008 market crash. Those were the only times that that thing failed. And the reason why I'm on buys for buys is because of that thing. It's playing out. So I'm really bullish on Nasdaq, guys. I told you guys Nasdaq was bullish and the Nasdaq is bullishing. I want to see Nasdaq coming to these levels here. You see that? I want to see it coming to those levels there. And then I'll see what it does from there, if it's going to remove the high or not. But I kid you not. Only failed twice. Have you ever heard of that? Something failing twice in more than 20 years. Is it 20 years? 2024, if I remove 20, it will take me to 2004. I don't think Nasdaq was there then. It's about 15 years. In the past 15 years, it has only failed twice on Nasdaq. And that's how I told you guys Nasdaq was going up. You were all here. I told you that Nasdaq was going up. And here it is, going up. So at this point in time, Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do on Nasdaq is I'm going to load enter for me on 1 hour. What I'm expecting Nasdaq to do is to drop and then pick me up. Expecting a wave, right? So you know the market moves in waves. I'm expecting another wave, another dollar. See that? Expecting another wave, another dollar on Nasdaq. So I'll expect enter for me to take a buy on my behalf there. So without wasting any further time, let me go and load the bot on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, where's Nasdaq? Another day, another dollar. I'm busy loading, guys. I'm busy loading. I'm not neutral on this one, so I am loading. Enter for me on 1 hour. Me is not neutral here. And it's not secret. Me is not neutral and me is not being secretive about it. Another day, another dollar. Done. Loading. Right, ladies and gentlemen. I told you that if it removes the low, enter for me. For those who are saying it's going down. So it's basically enter for me on 1 minute, right? For those who are saying it's going down. Like I said, guys, I'm not changing. I am neutral. But I'm just saying, if you are saying this thing is going down on 1 minute, what I would do is I would load enter for me on one minute. on gold. And what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to do what it's been doing, which is ding 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 ding. See, it's been doing it. So if I load enter for me trading bot on 1 minute, I'll be expecting the market to do that. But like I said, guys, I'm neutral. I just loaded enter for me on 1 hour on Nasdaq. So I'm expecting Nasdaq to do what? To drop. Then after dropping, it must give me a buy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna Euro JPY. There's a question right there. Mr. Phase Hunter says a quick one. Mr. RB, the enter for me shows the analysis that has been done. The enter for me shows the analysis that has been done. Do one still have to click on place for it to trigger? Hey guys, what is Mr. Hunter saying? Mr. Hunter,
I think he's talking about those blue and red lines that are drawn there. Thinks that's an analysis.
Nico just sent me a text on WhatsApp saying what failed twice on Nasdaq.
Was he not there?
I guess he was not there. Let me answer him.
I see.
I just answered you, Mikwa. Go and check it. Go and back test. You'll see it only failed twice. Once in 2022, and in 2008. Those are the only times it ever failed. Highest win rate ever. And that's why I said to the guys, buy Nasdaq. But they probably sold and took signals and whatever and lost money. But I told you guys last time when we met, this was the last time we spoke, I said Euro JPY a drop, and that is exactly what happened. So guys, I'm doing it live. I'm not hiding anything. You can go back and watch the previous sessions if you think I'm making up things, and you will see. We are just calling things live right here, doing everything live. There's nothing to hide, right? So Mr. Faiz Hunter, I still don't understand what you're saying, so I'm waiting for you to explain what you mean. Mr. Daniel, Mr. Daniel Success, this one. You know how I know this guy Daniel? He's one of the people that were distributing Unlocking Wealth.
Oh.
He's one of the people that ruined it for me, this one.
Hectic.
What?
But
Was he charging people, bros, or was he giving it out for free?
No, selling it.
I don't know, man. I don't remember. He posted it on what is that, investing.com. There was something where I think it was Nasdaq analysis or whatever, and then he posted something there, a text, someone saw it, it came to me or whatever. Yeah. And you know what's funny? I think he got it from his brother. You know, his brother. That stuff. These are some of the guys that ruined it for me back then.
Humanity. That's wrong with humans. Now, but why isn't he distributing enter for me now? Mr. Daniel, you have a work to do. It's free. It's free. Distribute enter for me. To the same capacity you're distributing the book.
If I remember correctly, we once called video called him. Hey, these boys, they didn't want to show their faces. He wanted to catch them. They were
Oh.
ex-school.
Yeah.
They answered, they didn't want to show their face. There we from far. Mr. Face is correct. The blue and red lines show supply and demand, right? If I select it, do I still need to select place so that the order triggers? Or no, this bot doesn't trade based on any supply or demand. It doesn't. Yes, the supply and demand are there, but they're just there to confuse the enemy. Let it be on record now. This bot doesn't use supply or demand.
Yeah.
So just ignore it. Just ignore it. So yeah, guys, we'll move to. So I said I'm neutral on gold, and then Nasdaq. I said I want to drop. Then enter for me will buy for me. Already loaded. Enter for me there, and then Euro JPY, ladies and gentlemen. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Euro JPY, guys. We have to be on the sideline for now. Let's be on the sideline for now. Kahiso says, Fit 9 to 5 is costing me. Join late again due to long morning meetings. Guys, let's be on the sideline for now on Euro JPY, right? It does look yummy on H4 though, I won't lie. Remember what I said on H1? This thing here on H1, it does look very much possible on H4, right? Another leg, another dollar, right? Very much likely by the looks of things, right? But don't be unlike me. Leave it for now. But you can also be unlike me. But as for me, hey, last time on this one we were selling, right? We were looking to take some sales on one minute, of which we did. But at this time we can't do much because we are now in a demand. Should have thought about it earlier. Then I think we could have gotten some sales. Could have gotten some sales, right? But it's fine. There's nothing we can do for now. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So let's move on. Let's check GBP USD. Another day, another dollar. So, guys, we don't just want you to have trades running for the fun of it, right? We don't just want you to have trades running for the fun of it. If things are not clear, we simply don't trade. You will save yourself a lot of money if you're not going to trade when things are not clear. So, another day, another dollar. GBP USD is where we at, right? GBP USD is where we at. I do see some waves to the upside on 4 hours. I do see some waves to the upside on 4 hours. I do see some waves to the upside on 4 hours, guys. So, I do see that. If you also see that, H4, GBP USD, I would load, enter for me, expecting that price is gonna come and remove that and come here.
AUDJPY H1 looks more yummy.
Daily. Let me see, daily. Yeah. Also daily, guys. Daily also says, you see, daily is also saying it would be nice to get to that supply. So how can we get to that supply? Well, when you look at H4, Mr. Sebza Mabena says, let's look at GBP USD, and we have been looking at GBP USD. Unless if I've been delayed, if my thing is delayed here.
It's not that bad. It's 30 seconds, if not 1 minute. So
Okay, so I guess I was not paying attention. Okay. So guys, daily looks yummy to this supply here, right? So if that is to happen, we'll need to go up from where we are, right? We're looking at another wave to the upside, of which, if it's gonna happen, the enter for me trading bot will be there to watch the market for you and execute when appropriate, when the time is right? So what I would do is to just load enter for me on 4 hours and leave it, of which I am going to do now. Enter for me on 4 hours on GBP USD. Enter for me on 4 hours on GBP USD.
these numbers keep going up today.
So I am really
Breaking records.
Ladies and gentlemen, apologies, I'm just busy loading enter for me on GBP USD on 4 hours. Expecting another leg, another dollar, right?
How are you?
Price too. Who are you greeting?
No, I'm saying you said another leg, another dollar. So what comes after that is how are you?
Oh, I don't know about it.
How are you? Another day, another dollar. How are you?
I didn't know about it.
No problem. Wait, Talisha said we must check ADJPY.
Okay, let me just finish loading. What's the spread like on Octa? In this one. Small, so it's fine. It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. I've just finished loading. So Euro USD also looks like GBP USD. So I don't like to load everything, guys. Things that are similar. I don't want to load everything for things that are similar, right? I don't want to load everything because if the dollar strengthens against me or weakens against me, then it's going to happen in all those things that have the dollar attached to it. You see that? So I don't want to overexpose myself, right? So it's either I'm taking GBP USD or Euro USD because I can see daily they are both expecting price to go up. So it's either I'm going to take the Euro USD or the GBP USD. I'm not going to take both. What's up, Mr. T?
Mega Solutions.
Oh, he says, I welcome myself in this live. How are we doing? Another day, another dollar. Like we place orders, or it will be copied without me lifting a finger. Please don't laugh, Bruce. I'm new in this family. Hey.
So
are you on Octa?
Please don't laugh.
Did you open an account with Octa? Mr. Is it Mr. or it's Mrs. or it's Miss Mega Solutions?
Mega Solutions.
What solutions are those? Mega.
They are mega.
What mega solutions are we offering? Mr. Mabena, I trust you are sorted with GBP USD. Mr. Tabiza says H1 on ADJPY looks more yummy. Mr. RB, hey, let's see. Hey. I hope he's not taking us to the slaughterhouse, right? We want to trade. Mr. Tabiso. I hope you are not taking us to the slaughterhouse. You guys are interesting. You don't want to say the full story when you take us to instruments. You must say the full story. You must tell us, are we going up? Are we going down? Based on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Guys, this is JPY. This one is JPY. AD JPY. Still bullish, right? Mr. Tabby, so what are you looking at on this one? Are you looking at buying or selling? Talk to us, Mr. Tabby. So while I'm gone, I'll be back. You just let us know what you're looking at. USD CAD, last time we looked at USD CAD, we got paid, right? Yeah, this one paid us, guys. Got paid here. We got paid, but unfortunately at this point in time, there's nothing much we can do. I don't think we can do much here. I don't think we can do much. I don't think we can do much on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think we can do much on this one, right? So, for those who loaded enter for me on gold on 1 minute, you must watch your charts because you have a sell triggered somewhere. For those who said, hey, another leg, another dollar, because we removed that low, expecting another leg. But if no one did, then probably no one did because no one is saying anything. I know you guys normally say something when things are triggered. So if you're not saying anything, I guess no one has a trade there. So I was saying USD CAD, guys, there's nothing much on it at this point, right? There's nothing much on it at this point. So, guys, like I was saying, it's not, we don't owe anyone running trades, right? If things are not clear, we don't have to trade. We don't owe anyone any running trades. No one. Absolutely no one. If there's a number of people we owe running trades to, it's that number is 0. That number will literally be 0, ladies and gentlemen. We don't owe anyone running trades. So if things are not clear, we just wait. You see that? So nothing here. AUD USD. I see last time we were looking at another wave, another dollar. What time frame were we looking at it from? I see it played out. But this was overextended, but still played out. We went all the way up. So we'd now be looking for another wave to the upside, right? Another wave to the upside is what we want on AUD USD, right? Or do you guys not agree? If you don't agree, you see? Do you guys agree? I wanna ask you this one. Are we looking for another leg? Do you think it's wise to load enter for me on 1 hour on AUD/USD? Let's see here. Starting a poll. There's about 41 of you. Is it wise to load enter for me on AUD/USD H4? There's the poll, guys. Looking for another wave since we got this one. And we'll be expecting another one. Is it wise to load enter for me on 4 hours? Um, 10 votes. 10 votes and 80% is saying yes. Kindly vote fast, guys, please. We need to move. We still haven't gotten any trades this morning, except for those who are trading. Gold. Please vote. 15 votes. Mega says, I sent you my stuff and you added me to your group. We Mega Agriculture and Home Loan. No, you didn't send to me. Trust me, you didn't send to me. We have a team of people. So it's definitely not me, Bruce, that is. You have Mega Agriculture. So you do some agricultural stuff. That's good. And then Mr. Kirk says, I have the bot currently running a sell on USD JPY. Nice trade, cruising nicely. On what time frame is that, Mr. Kirk? LM edit, if you have a small account, then you might get in trouble if you load it for M on H4. That's very true. That's very true, guys. So I'm asking, guys, the poll is open. Is it wise? The question is it wise to load enter for me on AUD H4? So LM edit says if you have a small account, then it might get you in trouble. So it's just saying if you have a small account. So he's not saying if it's wise to add enter for me on H4 or not. 23 votes, guys, and 87% is saying it is wiser to load enter for me on H4. Siabonga says on H1 gold has already triggered using enter for me. Ooh. Guys, I'm neutral on gold, like I told you. On gold, I'm neutral. Me is neutral. So apparently, there's already a buy activated. Awesome stuff. May the stop loss be with you guys. I told you for those, Siabonga did say it's going up. So I did say for those who are saying it's going up, load enter for me. For those who are saying it's going down, load the star boy. So back to AUD USD, the poll, 25 votes, guys. Please vote, guys. Please vote. We need to move on. My question is simple. Is it wise to load enter for me? Basically, or in short, do you think it's wise to buy AUD USD on H4? Do you think it's wise to load AUD USD on H4? And then we're looking at something like this, and then that, and then that, something like that, right? That is my question, basically. Yeah. Is it wise? Mr. Quinton Tutus Kahoro says, should I take a sell on gold? What's happening? I went to a meeting. Hey, why are you taking a sell? Guys, who takes trades here? Hey, Mr. Quinton, don't shock us. Hey. Oh, maybe you've been trading manually. I thought this is about trading using the bot.
Mr. Quinton is that guy who's on the phone. So
he does it on the phone.
He waits for guys to tell him what the bot took, and then he puts it manually.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Now we haven't had anything, Mr. Quinton. Apologies, Mr. Michael, aka Piano, says so. Bruce, we can't load enter for me and Starboy on one pair at the same time. You can, but on different charts. So you'll have to open two charts. One chart will have enter for me. The other chart will have Starboy, but you can't load them on one chart. Mr. Tabisa says, this is where I am able, this is where this is where I able be on the sideline leadership because of the AUD interest rate released early this month. Oh, that's why it went. Okay, I see. That's why it shut down. There was interest rate. Yeah, there just had to be something the way it did it. But AUD interest rate, if you pay attention to it, what you realize is during the course of the day, it often reverses. Guys, 33% have voted. 33 people have voted and they're saying yes. It is wise to load enter for me or to buy AUD on H4. Okay, I'm gonna close the poll because we literally have 15 minutes left. So 33 votes. And then we end the poll. And in the poll, guys, most of you will get chowed because this thing is in a supply, guys. You cannot load. You are assuming that price will break the supply. You cannot load enter for me when price is trading in a supply. You cannot. You'll get a beating. And when you look back to try and understand why you got a beating, you'll realize that you were in a supply. It's basically like this. Imagine if we had loaded enter for me here, saying, we got a wave. We're going to get another wave. That is basically what you guys are saying now. You're saying it's wise. That is what you guys just said. You see that? So the keyword there was wise. It's not wrong. Price might go up, but the keyword there was wise. Is it wise? Remember, we're talking about enter for me. And enter for me, you don't want to be assuming, right? You don't want to be assuming. This is a resistance, this is a supply, and it's valid until removed, So you don't want to assume that it's going to break. You just have to be on the sideline. It's something similar to this here. This was a demand. You don't want to assume that it's going to be broken until the point where it's broken. You see that? So 81% of you are unfortunately not right on this one. Even if it plays out, right? I'm not saying it's not going to go up, but the keyword is it wise to load enter for me bot on H4 on AUD, and the short answer is no, because we're in a supply, guys, and we know supplies to hold the price and cause the price to go the opposite direction. You see that? So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. So it's essentially something like this here. This is where we are currently. You see that? This here is equivalent to this. So let's look at NZ decade. NZ decade is also in a supply. We can just assume and say, it's going up, another leg, another dollar to the upside. But guys, we're in a supply here, and that supply can hold price and cause price to drop. You see that? So, nope. Still haven't got any trade, guys. So let's have a look at that AUD JPY. So far, I've loaded enter for me on Nasdaq on 1 hour, and I've loaded enter for me on GBP USD on 4 hours. So other than that, we don't have anything else. Can you guys see that? Can you guys hear that there's some radio, like police are spying on us?
It's in the music. Hey, leadership. It's in the music.
Oh man, you're not supposed to give the answer that fast, man.
Oh. Hectic.
You're supposed to leave the guys to their minds to run wild.
Hectic.
Tabby, so you're saying we're looking to sell this one to where? To where? To where? Because for me personally, ne, I would load. Enter for me on 1 hour. Expecting price to do this. Because it's JPY, guys. If there's one thing I would want you to learn from me today is JPY often weakens as long as there's peace in the world. JPY can drop, will go up. JPY can drop, will go up. JPY can drop, it will go up. JPY can drop, it will go up. It can drop all it wants, it will go up. That's JPY. So, ladies and gentlemen, if I wanted to trade AUD I would load it. I wouldn't be looking to sell Mr. Tabiso. But I'm not looking to trade it, you know. But if I wanted to trade it, I'd be looking at longs. I think especially because it's tricky where we are. Look at this here. Who remembers when I showed you guys this on gold and then I said it's going to consolidate, and it did. It's something similar now. On hey, gold is dropping. Mr. Siabonga, are you holding on well there?
This is the guy who took the buy.
Remember when I brought it up, guys, on gold? Was this. This was somewhere here. Then I said we're gonna consolidate, and the price really moved inside there for some time. So we're having something similar on AUDJTY.
This one is betraying me here.
What?
This one, I open it, it shows in the main screen instead of going to the second mode.
I didn't see anything.
Stream is delayed. It's gonna come there now in a second.
Hey, my daughter. Hey, my daughter. Hey, my daughter. Hey. T just wanted to show you guys his balance. Did you see it?
No.
You guys see that balance? You guys see that balance?
No. There's no such thing.
I'm kidding, guys. Don't go back because there's no balance. Hey, now people will be going back. Trying to see.
They will pause there and all.
Right, guys. For me, two things today. Nasdaq, I want you to drop and then take a buy for me. GBP USD, I want you to give me a buy on H4. Any other thing? And easy. Or maybe I can get some sells on Nasdaq on 1 minute. Let me see. I should have, guys. Should have. But we're about to leave, so we have started a new wave here, guys, in Nasdaq. On 1 minute. That is because we need Nasdaq to drop before we can go up today. Why? Because the market moves in waves. But the thing about Nasdaq, one thing, if you haven't noticed, right, I'm showing you again with Nasdaq. When Nasdaq is trending, what it will do, it will open and then just move sideways and then maybe dip a bit and then take off. It will move sideways, maybe dip a bit and then take off. So this dip might not be big. That's the only reason which will make me not to load enter for me on 1 minute, expecting it to go down. Right? It is the fact that it likes to do this and then continue. I can show you countless examples of such behavior. So basically, it will do this, dip, and then take off. You see that? That is something Nasdaq likes to do a lot. So because of that, I won't load enter for me on 1 minute because I just don't know how far the dip can go. But I do expect a drop. Then I expect enter for me to take a buy. Then we smile. See that? And then Tabiso says, yes, sir, maybe to remove the low, but I had already ate the enter for me on M1, close my position. And then he says, the AUD rate pushed it lower from that H1 supply. Siabonga says, enter for me triggered on gold with a buy. Yes, you did tell us, Siabonga. You did tell us. Me, like I said, I am neutral. Guys, on gold, I am neutral. This thing is consolidating.
I wanted to be in those cells this morning. Hey, Mara, things I keep popping up in the screen. See this live? Oh, wait. Hey.
Which one's this one?
Yeah.
I think I wanted to take cells. Yeah. I missed this cell here. In the AMs. That's a nice breakfast right there. Very nice. But I think it would have kicked me out here. I would have probably broken even. Remember when you guys came in the session, I had this drawn in.
Yeah.
1:6, not bad.
Baba Yaga, are we having bots on MT5 yet? No, not to the masses.
Who's asking that?
In the Zoom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's boring trying to upload that thing. Oh, Mr. Siabonga. Were you saying gold took a buy so that we can look into the possibilities of price going up? Quinton is asking, what is your SL? How? Mr. Quinton, you put your SL. Put your own SL.
You decide how much you want to lose.
You decide how much you want to lose, brother. But as for me, guys, you had me neutral on gold, neutral on a lot of these things. The one I think might play out and pay me today is Nasdaq. Because there it is, dropping that wave. There it is, dropping. May drop and then trigger a buy for me in the afternoon. Woo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was nice having you guys this morning. Days are not the same in the market. That is the reality of things on the ground. Some days we'll come and eat. Some days we'll come and say, hey guys, let's stay on the sideline. What's more important is consistency, being able to make money consistently and avoiding unnecessary losses.
Yes, sir.
See that?
Yep.
So, Mr. Quinton says, thanks, homies. What's homies?
Homies.
Is it like
More like buddies, friends.
It's the new slang leadership.
Yeah.
is the new slang?
American
The slang
culture.
for what?
American
Friends.
culture. Yeah, friends, homies, friends, family, all that. Homies.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a great session. Mr. Tato, cue me out of here. I'll see these guys tomorrow.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers. See you guys tomorrow.
It's an awesome God he reigns from heaven above. We bring the power and love our God is an awesome God. It's an awesome God he reigns from heaven above. We bring the power and love our God is an awesome God. It's an awesome God he reigns from heaven above. We bring the power and love our God is an awesome God.
Yo, when I look to the sun, I remember the song who does that for us all. Because of the love, man, it's lit. I can't even tell you without this grace and without this love, we're breathing. Upon all this sin we committing, upon all this fake contribution, upon all the hate in the brethren, man, upon all the lies that I'm telling. Yo, in trials and tribulation, hit the king. No matter the situation you were in, the awesome, amazing blessing, he ain't kidding. Show me the one you believe, and I will show you the truth, I'm a king. Psalm chapter 103, praise the Lord, my soul and within.
It is incredible how dependable our God is, inflexible, immeasurable, he's credible. It is not just historical, symbolical, eccentric, daily, and mystical, interpretational, love illogical. Like who loves a guy who's meant to die in hell, but El Shaddai hates El Elyon, the only one. I am that I am is the only one, don't be misinformed, but be reformed. Rise what you feed and you'll be stand up like a body. Guns to square up the mud duckings, we cease to fear us. We go back on our knees, he hears us, no more slugging, we have him to spare us.